started designing the Onvo L90, we asked ourselves what a modern family really needs in a true large SUV. It shouldn't be a compromise. With elevated hood and generous ground clearance, the Onvo L90 embodies the bold, timeless proportions of a true SUV. The interactive lamps offer several unique light animations. We name it Xinlu Shine Yao, lighting the way to brilliance for every user's journey ahead. Where form follows function, these design character lines help us in achieving a remarkable low drag coefficient of 0.25 CD. Elegant and practical for the city, playful and capable in the outdoors. We have created an industrial-leading 240 liters front trunk, doubling cargo capacity without compromising comfort of any passenger row, truly offering large families with luggage freedom. The powered side steps allow every passenger to embark with ease and grace. We call it Bobo Gao Shan, symbolizing our users' continued ascent in both life and career. The essence of premium luxury lies in a meticulously orchestrated sensory experience. Even in the third row, a generous 38-degree recline offers exceptional comfort, proving that no seat is an afterthought to grant every passenger executive class comfort. Seat controls integrated into the door panels embody our attention to details and practicality. The uniquely designed metallic speaker grille delivers premium acoustics.
In Chinese, we call it 一帆风顺.
We call it 一帆风顺. The extra-wide seats embrace every family member, and with two embroidery masterpieces. We call it 金松满堂, a celebration of familial prosperity and life's finest moments. To us, premium isn't noise, it's quiet excellence. The L90 perfectly embodies the idea of sophisticated design, versatility, and efficiency without compromise. That's the kind of innovation we believe. Timeless, practical, and deeply human. This is Onvo L90, setting new standards for premium three-row SUVs.